Petite France. This place is called Petite France because of its like small canals. Wow, look at the tiny space we're going through now. Because of its small canals, it's known as Petite France, and there was also a hospital here or something. And yeah, I'm trying to record the information as best as I can, but I'm trying to do my best. And, oh wow, that guy's literally climbing out. Anyways, so wow, look at this mini canal. Is he gonna back away from here? Is the door gonna open? Oh my god, I think he's gonna open the door or something. Wow, that's so cool. I just realized what's happening. This boat is gonna go to the level of that line over there. This boat is gonna go up to level over there because the water is rising, because I think some door over there was closed or something. So the water level is rising so that it reaches the, I think, that much surface. And that this guy over here said that there's a timer for how long it'll take for this to rise till that, and then we can finally go through this door. So yeah, so like I said, we're at the level of this. He removed the rod, wire, whatever you want to call it, and the door is now opening. Oh my god, the door is opening. Woo. Okay, so yeah, the door opened and we're gonna go through now. This is the wire which she like put off, and we're going through now. So now I actually realized what that water thing was about. Here the water level is like, one sec, let me like go to the portion. One sec. It's like up till here the water level, but then it's like down there the water level here is like till here, but then the water level there is like down there. I don't understand if you can understand in the camera, but it's actually true. And that's why like the boat needs to wait for like 3-4 minutes so that the water level goes down, so it's equal to the water level there, so it can like go through and not have to like jump or whatever, if that kind of makes sense. This is a university bridge. It connects to universities. Just a fun fact that I heard was that Strasbourg has the second largest population of students after Paris in France. And now we are on the carousel. It won't just spin up. Okay. And now we are on the carousel. Oh wow! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. What's this? Okay. Oh my god! Let's go. This is on the route to the train station. So instead of taking a picture, let me just do a video. So on the route to the train station. And this is the Strasbourg Central Station, which is kind of in the shape of a dome or a semicircle, and it's pretty cool actually.